Mo kí gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí nílé lóko lẹ́yìn òdì ṣé àlàáfíà ni mo bá yín ọdẹ òdòbí. Mo gbà ọ́ ládùúrà fún gbogbo àwọn olólùfẹ́ ìkànnì àwọn olólùfẹ́ ẹlẹ́yẹlé Global TV. Ikú òjijì kò ní pẹ́ni kankan wá lágbára ọba mi Èdùmàrè. Àìsàn tí ò gbóògùn kò ní yà lọ́dẹ̀dẹ̀ wa. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ tún ní kí ni mo mú wá fún yín. Eléyìí má tún wá gbẹnu tán o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé wọ́n máa ń fi mo dákú ṣeré ni? Ṣé wọ́n tún máa ń fi mo dákú àbí mo kú ṣé wọ́n tún máa tún fi ń ṣeré sí ni? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ níbo la fẹ́ bá ọ̀rọ̀ social media lọ báyìí torí Ọlọ́run, because tí n bá sọ pé ó yé mi bàbá ńlá àárọ̀ ni mo pa. Mo rí update kan ní àárọ̀ yìí wọ́n ní Verydarkman ó ti kú. Kí ló pa? Wọ́n ló mu hypo ó kú. Gbo.Se wọ́n ló ti kú. Kí ló pa? Wọ́n ló mu hypo ó kú. Gbogbo olólùfẹ́ kan ní ẹ má jẹ́ kí n parọ́ tán yẹn. Wọ́n so make this thing real like kódà téèyàn bá kú gan kò gbọ́dọ̀ ju bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn náà lọ. Ìgbé acting yẹn kò gbọ́dọ̀ ju bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn náà lọ téèyàn bá kú. Gbogbo àwọn kú téèyàn ti rí náà àwọn acting yẹn náà ò ju bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn náà lọ. Wọ́n máa really act kìíní gan. Wọ́n dẹ̀ kwaya everybody sókè. Wọ́n dẹ̀ kwaya gbogbo èèyàn sókè. Verydarkman ti kú o, Gbo.Se ti kú o, wọ́n ti fẹ́ lọ sin Verydarkman. Kódà tẹ́ ẹ bá wo fídíò yẹn gan tí wàá jẹ́ kí bóyá mi ò láìkí kí n máa show fídíò ní fídíò torí copyright. Tẹ́ ẹ bá wo fídíò yẹn gan tẹ́ ẹ bá wo báwọn mọ́tò ṣe tò tẹ̀léra wọn tán gbé kásikẹ́ẹ̀tì sí ẹ̀yìn báàkì tọ́nà lọ sí Verydarkman. In fact ara mi bú màṣọ, mo wà down láàárọ̀ yẹn, mo wà in fact mo so wà restless, mo wà perplexed pé ṣé ẹ̀fún fún Verydarkman ni àbí èdè ló ń dì tó fi mu hypo àbáṣà sí àwọn kan ló ń mu ni, kò sí nǹkan tí mi ò ti ẹ̀rù tán. Láàárín àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi tájọ́ ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn báyìí gbogbo wọn kọ̀ káwọ́ lórí báyìí ni pé àgbà tán pa máa yìí, àgbà tán ṣe kinní kan, àgbà tán ṣe gbá kan. But mo sáà ń sọ wípé no, mi ò tí believe. Mo tún wo fídíò yẹn mo ní bó sí náà ń gbé lọ yìí, mọ́tò ló tẹ̀lé àwọn yìí exactly bọ́n ṣe máa ń lọ sí yàn ní Verydarkman gọ́gọ́gọ́gọ́, kò sí yàtọ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan náà? Àbí ó dàgbé èmi létà sọ nígbà tí mo get to know pé Verydarkman ló kú, mo létà sọ wípé ó fi ṣoògùn àwúrẹ́ ni, ó fi ṣoògùn àìkú ni. Torí tẹ́ ẹ bá ti rí àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ bá ti gbọ́ tí òkìkí wọn bá kàn pé wọ́n kú tí wọn ò dẹ̀ kú, oògùn àìkú náà fi ṣe. Because àwọn tá a tiẹ̀ ti máa ń gbọ́ kọ́ máa ń ṣe nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn tí wọn ò tẹ̀ tó eléyìí. Wọ́n máa plan kódà wọ́n plan eléyìí gidi, wọ́n dẹ̀ succeed, wọ́n kwaya àwọn èèyàn sókè. Níbi tó gbé words dé wọ́n kwaya àwọn èèyàn sókè. Àwọn tó ń sunkún tẹ́ bá rí báwọn èèyàn ṣe ń sunkún ẹ máa wò pé òótọ́ ni. Àwọn tí ò mọ̀ rí gan ti ń sunkún pé wọ́n dẹ̀ pa máa yí wọ́n dẹ̀ pa bọ̀bọ̀ yìí. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo ojú tó wò mí ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí, ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí kó go fara. Tó bá yá ń sìn tá a bá tiẹ̀ ti ń gbọ́ nǹkan lórí social media sí kò tiẹ̀ ní jọ wá lójúmọ́ torí ti Verydarkman tó ṣe yìí no. In fact àwọn tó bá plan ni ẹ̀ wọ́n plan ẹ̀ dáadáa. Ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ gbígbà kan lélẹ̀ tẹ́kọ́ gbà kan sí page yìí, ẹ bá mi subscribe sí SELE Global TV, ẹ wá gba analysis yẹn.
Darkman and his crew are really taking this whole thing to the next level. As at this point, if you don't know social media very well, you might seem to believe what is going on. Based on the fact that Verydarkman and his crew are making things real and truer than we all thought. Life in Abuja, videos have started making round, and apparently, guys, them don't they do waiting them they call Verydarkman burial. Jojo of Lily, Verydarkman princess, is crying up and down. She says she is just a young girl, but they have turned her into a widow. Guys, no be small drama where they go on. We are going to be taking at the exclusive videos coming live from Verydarkman burial in Abuja. Now, guys, Verydarkman lawyer have also come out to say something related to this whole drama. In fact, He came out to write a condolence message, and he also said RIP to Verydarkman. Guys, could this be true? Also in this video, we'll be talking about King Michi, because right now, King Michi don't resurrect from the dead.
Can you imagine?
It is so crazy that somebody that her management confirmed says she don't buy just resurrected few hours ago. As we talk right now, King Michi went live on TikTok. She locked herself inside the toilet and she's crying. But guys, before we talk about that, I think we all need to first of all take a look at these exclusive clips coming live from Abuja, because right now I don't know what I want believe. I go Kokopi account, him they cry. I go Ratel Princess, Jojo of Lily account. She's also crying. What are they crying about? Them say Verydarkman don't buy. In fact, they have gone to buy coffin and they are doing what they call a Verydarkman burial. But why this is making round, guys? I saw those posts from Verydarkman lawyer. He said, "What is this I am hearing? Verydarkman, why? What will now happen to all our plans?" So it's now hypo for hypo, buy for buy, RIP
for
gone too soon. And then they included this picture of Verydarkman. Guys, the way these people are doing, I don't want to believe otherwise, because from the videos I watched and the way these people have started making this thing look real, Michi go day one side, they ask herself, why did she start this all along? Right now, guys, videos have been making round, and them say they want Verydarkman. Let's take a look at these guys. I had to run back home. I had to run my clinic. I just come home.
How will you never put on?
God. God.
Go. I'm a fool, man. Verydarkman, and go show you for Orishe. I'm gonna make it Rick. In fact, our people you won't make it really go. Won't make it real. In fact, wọ́n tún gbẹ́ sàárè. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ irú iṣẹ́ wo ni Verydarkman ṣe tó le tó báyìí? Irú iṣẹ́ wo ni Verydarkman ṣe? Iṣẹ́ ìle gan-an. Ó ga o.
Drop the rock inside. Great man. Hey! People should come out.
Ó ga o. Ayé o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ irú iṣẹ́ wo náà ṣe fún Verydarkman tó báyìí tó fi lọ extra mile? Kí ni ìdí ìyá mi lẹ́nu? Wọ́n máa dé Verydarkman lóòótọ́ wọ́n dẹ̀ gbẹ́ sàárè wọ́n dẹ̀ gbé pósí sínú ẹ̀.
So we are calling on the loved ones to pass on.
Kí ló ń ṣe àwọn pípọ̀ yìí? Wọ́n tún bu iyẹ̀pẹ̀ sí orí pósí bóyá máa ń bu iyẹ̀pẹ̀ sí òkú lára ẹ̀. Wọ́n máa ṣe ríìlì gan bí ẹni tó ń sìn òkú gangan mà ní lóòótọ́. Iṣẹ́ eléyìí lágbára o. No. Iṣẹ́ eléyìí ó lágbára. Iṣẹ́ eléyìí lágbára. Gbogbo ìfúnlẹ̀ yẹn. Ìwọ iná rẹ̀ rè. Aláì ẹni tí ò bá mọ̀ kò sí bí ò ṣe ní ké bí ò ṣe ní. Kò fẹ́ tẹ̀lé lọ ẹ sọ sínú ẹ̀kẹ́ bò pọ̀pọ̀ mọ́. Àwọn tó ṣiṣẹ́ yìí fún Verydarkman iṣẹ́ ni wọ́n ṣe.
Guys, no be small drama we dey go for this social media.
No be
Since
small
yesterday,
drama.
we never get rest.
No be
Right
small
now,
drama.
those are the exclusive videos coming live from Abuja. According to them, they say this one na Verydarkman burial be this. Guys, let this thing not be true because I no go lie. They are taking this whole pranking, they are taking this whole joke to the next level. I mean, even King Michi that came out this morning to fake her death has now quickly come out to show herself, say she never really died. Just now, a video has been making round where King Michi was live across TikTok. The crazy thing is that King Michi has now locked herself inside a toilet. She says she no fit bear everything where they go on again. Now my own is that it's not just to put an end to this whole thing. Don't forget, she was the one that started everything. And also guys, King Michi have come out to clear the air. You know, main reason why this whole drama actually started was when King Michi said she renovated his school in 6 days. It was crazy when a Ratel member, Levinus, went to this school and found out that they have not done anything. In fact, she only painted some parts, did some parts, and called it renovation. She came out to review that she has paid the complete money for the renovation, but they never do work. Across a post that she made across her official account, she said, "We are here to complete the work. Actually, I was not too strong. That's why I traveled to take care of myself and took care of renovation for my office. So this is the work I project.
see, normally, this is an old project. This is an old project that been commissioned for years. It wasn't working. I taught here for 3 years. I never came here. I went into the bush to investigate. But now we have connected water so it can be used. Ignition had their mindset of renovating only one block. But because she saw that this place was broken and it was dangerous to the children, let's enter there. She said like walk on the wall because it was broken. You know when we're before break. So you can see the inside. Here is to this room. They have condemned this one because they vandalized this school before. Even the communities are aware. I did a video to that effect. Even the local government chairman is aware. They have vandalized. They brought this one, so we have to replace this full thing.
This is the latest post too. So apparently, guys, King Michi never died. She just faked the whole thing. As at this point, no be small drama where we see every day. Yeah. But you guys, what do you think about this whole thing? Because one thing I can say for a fact is that Verydarkman and his crew are really taking this drama thing too far. Then Netflix consign them because they are good in acting. Share me your thoughts in the comment section and hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed.
Hey, Verydarkman really make this thing really. Somebody can make it real. Or make it really gone. Tí o bá sí wípé information that won't dig down, that won't get to know ni. Anybody ò ní mọ̀ wípé frame ni gbogbo ẹ̀. Anybody ò ní mọ̀ wípé acting ni gbogbo ẹ̀. Anybody ò ní mọ̀ wípé setup ni gbogbo ẹ̀. But kí ni mo lè sọ fún Verydarkman? Torí mo mọ̀ wípé ohun tó ṣe yẹn, number one, ó go extra length. But wọ́n ní tí kò bá nídìí obìnrin kì í jẹ́ kúmọ́lú. Àwọn tá a ti gbọ́ tán ti ṣe irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ sẹ́yìn ọ̀nà fi ṣe oògùn àìkú ni. Ó possible kó jẹ́ pé òun náà fi rí ikú dànù lórí ara rẹ̀ ni. Torí tí ò bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ èèyàn ò gbọ́dọ̀ gbérú gbèsè báyìí. Kí ló fẹ́ rò débẹ̀? Kí ló fẹ́ sùn débẹ̀? But ó lè jẹ́ pé nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn. Gbogbo àwọn olùfẹ́ kan nìyí bá mi share fídíò yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ kó go viral. Fún àǹfààní àwọn tí wọn ò tí gbọ́. Mo mọ̀ pé àìmọye àwọn tó ti máa gbọ́ torí mo late láti jáde wá ṣe fídíò lórí ẹ̀. But fún àǹfààní àwọn tí wọn ò tí gbọ́ mo rò pé mi ò gbọ́dọ̀ má ṣe fídíò lórí ẹ̀. Ẹ bá mi share. Ẹ jẹ́ kó go viral. Fún wọn tó yẹ gbogbo àkọlé tó kọ́ bá kọ sí page. Ẹ bá mi subscribe sílẹ̀ Gbo.Se. Ẹni wá fi ọkàn yẹn hàn lábẹ́ comment section. Ṣé bí mo ṣe rò yẹn ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣe rí? Àbí ọkàn tí yín yàtọ̀ sí nǹkan tí Verydarkman ṣe yẹn? Ẹ fi wọn lábẹ́ comment section. Mo tún padà bọ̀. Ire o.